Hey everyone, and welcome to your English fluency lesson. Now, we are on level 2, lesson number 5, which is all about expressing our preferences. Now, this is wonderful. This is how you tell people how you feel about things, what you think about things, how you like to do things, how you prefer things to be. So, let's work on this lesson here with our first sentence, which is I prefer coffee to tea. Now, how can we blend this? How can we make this nice and smooth? Because we have two different things here. Let's start at the beginning. I prefer, I prefer, I prefer coffee. I prefer coffee. I prefer, right? You see that? Prefer, I prefer coffee. Now we have our or, right? All right, we have our other thing. I prefer coffee to tea. Not to. To tea. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. Repeat after me. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. I guess for me, it depends. Sometimes I like certain teas, but if I had to choose, I might drink coffee because I want the caffeine. I need the energy. I'm tired. But you could change this for anything. I prefer soda to water. I prefer pasta to soup. I prefer red to yellow, right? We can say anything. We can easily take this sentence pattern and compare the thing we like versus something we don't really like. So easy way to change it to anything you want. Sentence number 2, negatives. So we said what we like. Let's talk about what we don't like. So I don't like spicy food. I love it. I love spicy food. But let's use this sentence. Ready? Now, how do we blend it? I do, I don't, I is up high, right? I don't like. Where'd that T go? Don't need it. We already know, right? I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. Either one is okay. I don't like spicy food. Enunciate it. I don't like spicy food. But I do. I love spicy food. It's just for this one, just for the practice, right? I don't like spicy food. Repeat after me. I don't like spicy food. Think about your tone. Should we be happy? I don't like spicy food. No, that's weird, right? We're talking in a negative. We're saying something we're not enjoying. So it shouldn't be high. It should be neutral or down. I don't like spicy food. Or we could just be neutral. I don't like spicy food. You could change it, right? I don't like sweet food. I don't like red cars. I kind of like red cars. But you see, we can easily change this thing to whatever we don't like. Cool? Yeah, pretty easy so far. Nothing difficult yet. So let's look at our third sentence, which is I'd rather, so I'd prefer, I'd rather stay home tonight. And I would. I'd rather stay home tonight. I'd prefer to stay home tonight. Means the same thing, right? But I'd rather. That's what we're working with here. So let's smooth this out. I would becomes I'd. I'd ra. I'd rather. Stick your tongue out. Don't be ashamed. Don't be scared. I'd rather. I'd rather stay. Rather stay. Tongue over to the side. I'd rather stay home. I'd rather stay home when, right? We're going to clarify. I'd rather stay home tonight. I'd rather stay home tonight. Repeat after me. I'd rather stay home tonight. Someone's probably asking you to come out and do something, and you don't want to hurt their feelings, but you want to be honest and say, I'd rather stay home tonight. Or, maybe someone asked you to go somewhere and you say, which restaurant do you want to go to? You say, well, I'd rather go to the seafood restaurant. I'd rather go to the hotel next to the park. I'd rather go to the beach instead of the mountains. Ooh, see, we added in a choice just now. I'd rather do this instead of this. That's the other pattern we could add. I'd rather do this. Okay. Bonus points instead of something else. I'd rather have fish instead of steak. I'd rather go to the park instead of swim. Hmm. Easy way to extend the details and show the level of your preference by saying, I like this way more than this. Okay, let's take a look at our fourth sentence, which is, I love. I love going to the beach. I love going to the beach. This is the highest level. I like it. It's okay. I love it. I love this thing. Cookies, right? I love cookies. So let's smooth this one out. I love going. I love going. I love going to. I love going to. We're going to blend going and to together. I love going to. I love going to. I love going to where? The beach. Separate, no blend. I love going to the beach. Repeat after me. I love going to the beach. Did you hear my volume come up? Because I love it. My tone goes up, right? I love going to the beach. You wouldn't be negative like, I love going to the beach. It's weird, right? We have to match our tone, our volume with what we're saying. I love eating ice cream. I look like it. I love eating cookies. Hey, I love cookies, right? We could change it to whatever we want. I love going somewhere. I love going and doing this thing. I love eating this thing. The ing can change. Going, eating, doing, playing, running. I love running at the beach. I love cooking steak. We could change it to whatever we want, right? Super simple patterns, but lots of possibilities. Infinite, really. Infinite different possibilities. Let's take a look at our fifth sentence, which is a negative. So we say what we love doing. How about the things that we don't really want to do, right? I'd rather not. I'd prefer not. I'd rather not what? Eat dessert. I'd rather not eat dessert. Let's smooth this out. Dr goes together. I'd rather not. I'm not making a not, right? There's no t sound. I'd rather not eat, because the T on eat is going to be sharp. I'd rather not eat what? Dessert. I'd rather not eat dessert. Repeat after me. I'd rather not eat dessert. Been putting on some pounds, right? Some kilos. I'd rather not eat dessert. Or, I'd rather not eat spicy food. I love spicy food. I'd rather not eat cold food. I'd rather not go to the beach today. I'd rather stay in a hotel. Bonus, I'd rather stay in a hotel instead of a motel. Yeah, hotels are way better than motels, right? I'd rather stay in a B&B instead of a hotel. Cool. We have a couple of different patterns there. I'd rather not do this thing. I'd rather not do this thing or this thing, right? I'd rather do this thing instead of this thing. Cool. Let's move on to our sixth sentence, which is, do you prefer? We're asking a question now. Do you prefer winter or summer? We're going to ask a choice to someone else, right? Do you prefer winter or summer? Okay, so let's smooth this one out. Do you? Do you? Duh, not do now. We're going to blend it. Do ya? Do you prefer? Do you prefer winter? Do you prefer winter? Do you prefer winter or summer? Or summer. It's our separation, right? Or has a break. Do you prefer winter or summer? Now it's a question, so our tone goes up, okay? Do you prefer winter or summer? We gave two choices, so our tone is up on both choices. Do you prefer winter or summer? See? If it was one thing, do you prefer winter? Our tone would go up for it. So let's put this all together. Repeat after me. Do you prefer winter or summer? Do you prefer winter or summer? I like spring personally. Do you prefer spring or winter? Do you prefer spicy food or savory food? Do you prefer this thing or that thing? Do you prefer running or swimming? See, we can change it to whatever we want. An action, a thing. Do you prefer money or happiness? Happiness, right? We could change these patterns to anything we want to tell the other person what we prefer. What are our preferences? Okay? I'd rather this. I'd rather that. I'd rather not. I prefer to. I prefer not to. You can use rather or prefer. It's up to you. Either way, they're both correct. You choose what feels better coming out when you say it. Okay? Now, I hope you preferred this lesson over the other ones. And if you didn't, let me know. Tell me what you are interested in. Tell me what you would prefer to learn. Tell me what you would prefer to say better. If you have a good idea, I'll make a special lesson for you. So I will see you for the next lesson, which is describing people. Oh, cool. Unless you give me a really good suggestion and I film that one first. So I'll see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.